To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch CuriosityStream. So you want to sign into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will open up these networks and add-ons, and then you want to click on all, and then you want to scroll down and then search for CuriosityStream. Right here on the CuriosityStream, you want to click on it. And then you want to add CuriosityStream to your YouTube TV membership along with your YouTube TV base plan. So just click on next. And then you can complete your purchase of CuriosityStream for $5 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. You can do it with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. So after that, you want to click on Start Membership. And then after you buy the specific package, you want to go to your top right of your screen to watch CuriosityStream. Right here on the search icon, you want to click on it. You can do this on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. And then just search for Curiosity. Right here on the CuriosityStream with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and watch CuriosityStream. You can try to add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And to do it, you can just choose on any show and then click right here on the 3 dots and then click add with the show name. And then to check on every show that you just add or recorded, you want to go to your top of your screen, and then right here you want to click on library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch CuriosityStream on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.